Dear colleagues, family, and friends, my name is Richard Solomon, and this is my life partner, Jackie Sonders. And this is the 14th episode in our series, Enhancing Relationships Through the Fourth R, the relationship skills. And today we're going to go over a refusal relationship skill called negative assertion. Now, in the previous episode, episode 13, we defined and demonstrated and described something called fogging. And fogging is the sharing of a probability statement, such as you may have a point of view, you're entitled to your opinion, etc., when someone unfairly criticizes you. May be a person who may have said you're mean and unkind and selfish. And you don't think that was an appropriate thing to say, so you put him or her in the fog. But today we're going to go over negative assertion. We have a handout for you, which you can obtain by going through my Facebook page. Get a copy of this. And basically, negative assertion is taking responsibility for making a mistake. It's assuming complete ownership of an error made in the past in such an assertive way that the aggressor no longer chooses to take advantage of the speaker. So, Jackie, you want to go and explain the situation where you're going to use negative assertion to me?
Yes, we're going to talk about our pickleball experience. We started off playing pickleball together, taking a lesson together, and I really didn't like it. And as Richard got better and better at the skills, he got to be pretty aggressive. He wanted us as a team to beat the other people. My skills were not good. I could not beat the other team. I couldn't serve properly. I was reacting too slowly. And Richard really did not like to be on the losing side. And I'm just not a match for pickleball. So I need to tell him that I changed when I don't want to play pickleball anymore. So that's the background.
Okay. So I go over to Jackie and I say, Jackie, it's a beautiful day. I really loved playing with you pickleball. So how about let's go and just play some pickleball and have a wonderful time together, sweetheart.
Well, Richard, sweetheart or not, I really am not enjoying pickleball, and I changed my mind. I've made a mistake. Pickleball is not a game for me. I would rather not play anymore. I'm not going to play pickleball anymore.
You're not going to play pickleball with me anymore?
No, I decided I'm just not having fun. I'm not playing anymore.
Really?
I'd rather not.
All right. So that's negative assertion. It's simply letting someone know at a particular point, for whatever reason, you don't have to give an explanation. You can if you wish, but you don't have to. And it's letting someone know what you're unwilling to do because the situation is uncomfortable for him or for her. And this applies in many situations that we have in life. So what we invite you to do is to practice negative assertion when it's appropriate with members of your family, colleagues, teammates, workmates, even a stranger, if he or she may take advantage of you and put you in an uncomfortable situation. Now, negative assertion is different than the broken record, which is the repeated assertion of what you will or will not do. And whereas with negative assertion, you may have done something in the past.
Like I used to play pickleball with him, and as it went on, pretended I was having a good time, but I just realized not a good time anymore.
Exactly. So if you want a copy of the handout, you can get it on my Facebook page. You can email me at rdsolomonphd@gmail.com. www.negativeassertion.com, and you can find this video on Facebook, Twitter, and my YouTube account. Now, in the next episode, we will review all 4 of the relationship refusal skills: broken record, negative inquiry, fogging, and negative assertion. And we want to thank all of you for being a vital part of this series, and we'll see you next time. Bye.